back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I do fashion videos and I do lifestyle videos as well. So if you like that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and become a BFF. Click that notification bell so you don't miss when your girl uploads a new video, because by the end of this video you'll see that I'll be your best friend. At the end of this video, you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head. And as you guys just heard, that is my daughter in the background. Hey girl. She is literally right in front of me, so you might hear her talking. She is very talkative today. So for today's video, I wanted to talk about something that's kind of serious. I've been wanting to talk about it here on my channel for a while. I did kind of make a video about it, but then I took it down. But I'm not going to take this one down because I really want to share this. So I really want to talk about confidence and feeling confident, specifically after having a baby, giving birth and stuff like that, because that's something I have been battling and going through, and I really want to share that journey with my ladies out there, with my BFFs that have had babies that have experienced this or whatever, so, or currently experiencing this. So let me jump right into it. So as you guys know, I gave birth to our daughter in 2018. And shortly after that, we did relocate to Dothan, which is where he lived. So we relocated here. So I went through a lot of just major life changes, like right after having her. So I did have to adjust being in a new area and not having any friends or family around, and just adjusting to being a new mom, and not only being a new mom to her, but being sort of a mom figure to his two other boys that he has. So that was a lot to kind of take on at once, and so I battled with trying to balance that and feeling confident within myself and my new body and all of this stuff, because everything changed about my body, you know, because I was breastfeeding as well. So, and I'm still breastfeeding, but that's a whole nother video right there. Trying to get her off, but Lord help me. I went through a period where I really did not like how I looked. I did not want to dress up. I didn't really want to go shopping because A, I wasn't working, so I didn't have extra money to go shopping for myself. And B, I didn't like how I looked and stuff. So I just felt like I was too small because, like I said, I was breastfeeding, so I lost a lot of weight. And that was probably the smallest that I've ever been or been in a while. So I really lost pretty much all my little curves that I had worked for in the gym prior to having her, and that really took a toll on my confidence because I'm used to having a full butt and all of this stuff, and it wasn't there anymore. So it's like, okay, like I wasn't filling out my dresses and my jeans like I once did before. Like I used to love to wear dresses, so now I don't really gravitate towards dresses like that anymore because I'm not 100% there with my body. I lost interest in fashion, which was something major for me because I've always been into fashion since I was a little girl. Anybody that knows me know that I love to shop and all that stuff, and I wasn't interested in that type of thing anymore. So that really took a toll on like my self-esteem and my confidence. Something else that has been really helping me out is really getting back into meditating and praying daily, because my prayer life definitely was almost non-existent. So regaining that prayer life and doing my daily inspirational readings and stuff, and now I'm getting into doing affirmations and stuff as well too. So that's something that has also been helping me on the inside, helping me feel more confident and rebuilding my self-esteem. I started to monitor what I was watching and who I was following on Instagram. So I noticed I was following like certain accounts that had a lot of celebrity gossip and kind of spread a lot of negativity, especially when you like click on the post and you kind of get sucked in reading those negative comments, and then it's just like, I don't know, I just don't want that type of negative energy, you know. So I had to unfollow that account, and I just had to like look through and see who I was following and stuff, and I had to monitor like what I was watching and stop watching a lot of the reality shows that I was watching. Also been watching a lot of more inspirational videos. So I found some YouTubers that I really like that do a lot of manifestation videos and just talk about a lot of positive stuff. So that's something that I've noticed that helps change, that's been helping change some stuff within the inside, you know, making me feel more confident. And what else? Oh, and I started to do things that like I used to love doing. Like I used to love playing in my closet and stuff, and I started back doing that again. I know that sounds kind of silly, but you know, that was something that I really loved doing because like I said, I was really into fashion, and I started back thrifting, which is something I used to really love to do. So I started back doing that, and I just started like remembering the little things that used to make me happy, that brought me some sort of joy, and that's what I started to incorporate back into my life, because I still have to make that time for myself. Even though I'm a mom and helping run a household, I still need to have that time for myself and just having that me time and just kind of feeling back to my normal self somewhat. And I did start to change my hair more, actually doing my hair, doing my makeup, and actually putting on actual clothes. Even though I really didn't have anywhere special to go, like if I was just going out to the store or something like that, I still would kind of get myself together. That just kind of helped make me feel better. Like, you know, it helped me look good on the outside and also made me feel good on the inside, because again, that was something that I used to always do. Used to always dress up, used to always keep my hair done, you know, makeup and doing all that stuff. And so I needed to get back to that place. So that's something that I've been doing as well, and that's something that I've noticed that has really been helping me feel a lot better about myself. I'm still working on like my body and stuff. I have been going back to the gym. That's been a ongoing battle as far as trying to incorporate that into my busy life, but I do need to start just doing more things around the house, like exercising at the house and stuff. But yeah, I feel like my confidence level has definitely increased dramatically over the past few months. Like I've even posting more on Instagram, which I almost completely stopped posting on Instagram because like I said, I was not feeling myself. I was not trying to see, I wasn't really trying to be on Instagram like that because I was looking at other people and it was making me feel bad about myself. And so I had to take a break from that for a little while. So, but now, you know, I'm back posting more regularly. And yeah, like I said, I've been feeling so much better about myself lately, and I'm just still on this journey, you know, still everything on the inside is also a work in progress. So, but like I said, I am feeling a lot better. I just have to remain consistent with doing my daily inspirations, reading those, and you know, making that time for God and praying and stuff, and just really have to make a conscious effort to do that every day. Oh, and I also forgot to say that I do have a journal where I write every morning, try to every morning, write what I'm thankful for the day. So that's something else that's helped as well, helped me keep things in perspective, and to also be thankful for the things that I have and stuff, and also just thanking for things that I want to have and speaking into existence. So that's something else that goes into play with the manifestation and all of that, which I've been really into lately and all of that stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I just wanted to share what I have been going through, my journey as far as just regaining that confidence and feeling like myself and all of that, you know, after giving birth and stuff. And I hope that it helps, this video helps at least one person out there. You know, if you know anybody that this video will be helpful for, just share the link with them. And yeah, I just really want this to just help somebody out, because you're not alone, girl. I am here for you. We right here, we here, okay? Like, we there. Like I said, I told you, I'm your best friend in your head, so I be knowing, okay? So yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, and check my social media links down below in the description box, and shop my store, shopnotaveragement.com. And as always, I see you guys in the next one. Bye. Say hi. Look at my teeth. Oh.